Hi guys, my name is Leo. This is a quick unboxing and impression of the DJI's Osmo Mobile 3. The purpose of this video is show you the price, shipping, what inside the box, and what doesn't based on my buying experience. To give you a better idea what you would get if you're buying this product. I have another video show this product in depth review. If you're interested, you could go ahead and check it out. As you can see in the video, that is the box I received from Amazon. As usual, Amazon always pack things reasonably well. However, the DJI's box give me a bit cheap feeling. This might be a good sign, cause you pay mostly for the product itself, but not the packaging. I totally understand why DJI doing this. It's because DJI sees some competitors show on the horizon, like Zhiyun. The whole kit cost less than $130 after tax. I think it's such a good deal. After opening the box, you could see the main carrying box and a small box that store all the accessories that come with it. You get a 42-inch USB Type-C to Type-A cable, one hand strap, a soft carrying bag, and a tripod come with this kit. I think you can find a kit $20 cheaper without this tripod. For anti-slippery pad, you could use that if your phone is not holding tight enough, but I don't need that. For sure, every product you will get a user manual as well. The hard shelf case feels very nice. The zip feels solid too. Also, it is nice to come with a side pocket, but I'm not sure what's that for. If it's cable or charger, I waterproof inside. After opening the zip, I found a few more soft shipping foam. Nice touch. The main difference between the Mobile 2 and Mobile 3, the Mobile 3 can fold the arms down, which I am a big fan of. You're saving space when you're traveling. Most importantly, reduce the chance to damage your gimbal itself. Good job. Lastly, talk about the price and shipping. I pay $119 plus tax, free shipping. Total is $129.56. I ordered on May 10th. I got it on May 21st. This package doesn't come with a power plug. No waterproof carrying bags too. I hope this type of video can help you and give you a better idea what you would expect before you click the buy button. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Leo, signing out.